Common daisies. They are everywhere, flowering from spring to autumn. Look around me. I am sitting in a lawn of daisies. Do you know that except being so pretty, these small plants are also medicinal herbs? A cup of common daisy tea can help with upper respiratory problems, and it also has anti-inflammatory and digestive properties. Just pick a handful of daisies from clean areas, put them in 250 milliliters of boiling water, turn off the heat and leave them to soak for 10 minutes. Then you can enjoy the tea. Common daisies also help treat skin irritations, wounds, and cuts. Crush a few plants in a pounder and apply to the affected skin patch. You can also make an ointment of daisies by infusing olive oil with daisy heads, leave for 2 weeks, and use it for skin problems. Another thing you should know about common daisies is that the whole plant is edible, even the buds. The buds are great substitute for capers. You can preserve and eat them the same way. The flowers and leaves can be used in salads, soups, or stews. Flowers have a lemony taste, but the leaves are slightly bitter. If you don't like the bitter taste, you can mix them with any other leafy greens and they will make a wonderful healthy salad. Common daisies are source of vitamin C, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, and will add beneficial nutrition to your daily food intake. I hope this video inspired you to go outside, pick some daisies and enjoy another small treasure from nature. I'm Diana from Grow, Eat and Repeat, and I will keep showing you forgotten gems like the small common daisy. If you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like that video, click the like button. Thank you and see you around.